Today's video is all disaster on the Cheep Cheep. Problems in the rear axle, and it sounds like a tractor.
Continuing to just change all the fluids. I also need to change the rear pinion seal, so now is as good a time as any to get all this pulled apart. Damage in here. So I don't know if you can see, but just my immediate look-see, I see a pretty good sized chunk out of the tooth there. So that's not so good. I don't see any large pieces inside here. Yeah, short of having two hands, I can't really spin this around. To be honest, at this point, I think I'm gonna act like I didn't see that. I'm just gonna brake clean it down, just let it drip for a while and work on some other stuff in the meantime. Taking out all these bolts holding this drive shaft on, and they're so rusty that kind of running into problems with them trying to strip. So been able to kind of hammer them on and then have a little bit more success. But they definitely are tough. That you can shove a punch in. Yeah, there we go. So kind of get this to free up. There we go. There we go. Nice. Cool. Well, I'm not gonna mess with it too much more. Be peeling that out next. All right, so day 3, I think, of working on this Jeep. So yesterday, I got all the plugs and wires and everything put back together, reassembled all the rotating stuff on the front end, and went to go start it up, and I think I got a cylinder dead right now. So let me go crank it up real quick for you. We can hear it idle like a tractor. I chased it around for a while. I think I decided it's the coil pack. So let's see how this goes. Ooh, it doesn't sound nearly as bad as it did yesterday. Alright, well. Oh yeah. No, it's still knocking pretty hard. Ruled it to this cylinder, mostly because I got no spark out of it. Oh, maybe I do have a small spark. Man. Ignition coil, alright. Alright, well, let's get this swapped out, put this new ignition coil in, and see if that helps. Mark these plugs or these wires with marker so I know which ones go where. And now we're gonna swap this all around. So here we go. Come on, not tractor.
quick update on this part since there wasn't a resolve to this that Nick had recorded. It ended up actually being the plug on the throttle body. It wasn't plugging in correctly, so we ended up going to the junkyard and getting a new one and put that in. And then the Jeep didn't sound like a tractor anymore and started running normal. But I think that's where I'll end it on this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We ended up finding a whole new rear axle at the junkyard out of a 2012 JK, so we swapped that in, so that'll be the next video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel while you're here, and stay tuned for the future videos.